country people, update my country people. Not be small thing. Bayelsa big boy Nikon John. Whether not John Nikon. Not be smart, work hard, hustle hard. Now your update now I can't drop for you, my country people. Not be smart, has hard. Come meet this guy, so my country people. All ladies when they follow this guy, they chop money. All of them can't hide face. They can't hide their face, so they not come out to can't rescue this guy. My people, my country people. Wonder shall never end. The time when this guy they lavish the money, he can't they spend the money. Ladies, they follow this guy. Ladies, they follow this guy up and down. Not be smart, as this thing happen, all of them come back. And this guy can't say me they continue the tap. Say me they hustle hard. People when they mumu they zwar. Come they tap, they follow this guy. They tap the blessing. Because this guy, they go, they worship God. They worship God like never before. Like say he never sent. Now people come, they continue, they tap. They tap, say, God, when do your own, go do our own. They don't know the kind job when this guy they into. Later now, as Yawa come bust everywhere, come scatter. The cup of this guy come full. Like they can't no say, see the kind job where my guy they do. Say my guy, the job where my guy they do. Say he not clear, he not pure at all. People when they fall and before all of them don't run. They say if this guy come out for a full life, if he come out for kiri, say they know they follow this guy again. Say they no go mingle with this guy again. I say what? Not where we not go see. Enter wahala first. They say who not they do, where you not do. They do the bad, they go say one day see, one day your cup go full. Now it be this one. Especially ladies, when they follow this guy, they don't follow this guy again. They don't even show their face come out. Upon say their picture, they spread for internet. They not show face come out. You are on your own. Now be your own. No, or your if something happen, you are on your. Now be this one. Now it make I good to make legit money. Okay, my country people, make una watch this full video and na Agbado member, my people. Not be smart, Agbado people na so I won't take this country. Not be smart, na they happen. Make una.
No go gree, yo. This my man, Tarla Amabebe, my very good friend, a big man son for the Saturday job people, the old job people. That's so. And this is APC man. Next level. You way. Oh, they blow your way. No. Sing hallelujah. You go sing hallelujah. Oh Bayelsa, you go sing hallelujah. You go sing hallelujah. For the donation, we are here live. It's our live. Yes. Don't ever make it from a 40. Not a new. That's all. Oh, yes. And this is the man behind the scene. The APC grassroots leader. The grassroots leader. Yes. And this is the former. Yes. And this is the former. This is the reason. Oh boy. This is the video. Hallelujah.
Bayelsa is a big selection.
Yes,
and all Bayelsa, the Bayelsa, the governor. One of the plans for why Bayelsa here. We can go give the young man in the government. That's what
Yes, yes.
There's no problem, there's no big deal.
In my village, my own village. Oh, yes. Yes.
Yes, thank you, Bayelsa.
Thank you, Bayelsa. And thank you all for your voting. APC way! Temilayo way! Amiri Nagi! That's all. January 21, but I will. Iwe! Aiso! Yeah! Over the lion. Thank you for giving joy. This family. Okay, Malita is there. Let me go to Malita. Let me go to Malita. Use the leader himself. The brand boss. The brand boss in the APC. The media man. Yes. Let me take something with my man.
We have taken over. We have taken over.
Yeah, we are doing our life.
Yes.
We're talking ourselves. Our mama don't win the election. Oh, my boss is also there. Come on, bring them. Yes. After all the stress. You go sing hallelujah. We go sing hallelujah.
Yes.
God bless the lion.
Boy, you know very well.
Yes.
God don't do. Thank you.
God bless. I want to come and tell you people thank you for the love.
Maybe people don't go see a lie.
APC, that we, the family is here. Hey! I believe everyone will be there. The family are here. We are jubilating. We are your household. Your household. Yeah, our prayer. That's so. Are you there? That's all. They're grace. They're not there with us. They're not there with us. That we. Everyone. Christ will wait. You will. Darla, my baby. God bless you. God bless you. Forgive me. The Lord, God bless you.